Hey there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Success Blueprint. Today, we're diving deep into the power of your morning routine. You know those successful people who seem to just energy and productivity? They've mastered their mornings. So get ready to ditch the snooze button and embrace 5 simple yet powerful habits that will transform your mornings and leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to conquer your day. Let's do this. All right, superstars. Let's talk about the first game changer in your morning routine, waking up early. I know that alarm clock can feel like your worst enemy sometimes, but trust me on this one. Those extra minutes before the world demands your attention are pure gold. The sun is just rising, the house is quiet, and you have this precious time all to yourself. You can actually yourself think. No emails, no kids demanding breakfast, no social media scrolling. Just you, a steaming cup of coffee or tea, and the opportunity to set the tone for an amazing day. Now, I'm not saying you need to become an early bird overnight. Start small, set your alarm just 15 minutes earlier than usual, ease into it. And as you get used to waking up earlier, you can gradually increase it. So set yourself up for success. Embrace the power of waking up early and start your day with a tall glass of H2O. Okay, early birds, we're hydrated and ready to take on the day. But first, let's get those bodies moving. And no, you don't need to run a marathon before breakfast. Even just a few minutes of movement can make a world of difference. We're talking stretching, yoga, a quick walk around the block, dancing to your favorite song in your pajamas. Whatever gets you excited to move your body. Exercise releases endorphins, those magical little mood boosters that leave you feeling energized and focused. Just put on some music you love and move your body in ways that feel good. So, find what you love and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. Chapter 3. Conquer Your Day, The Power of Planning. All right, we're hydrated, energized, and ready to make today amazing. But before we dive into our to-do list, let's talk about the importance of planning. Just like a pilot wouldn't take off without a flight plan, we shouldn't navigate our day without a roadmap. Taking just 5 minutes to plan your day can make a world of difference in your productivity and focus. Start by identifying your top 3 priorities for the day. What are the most important tasks you need to accomplish? Write them down and commit to tackling those first. Once you have your priorities, create a schedule for your day. Having a plan reduces stress and overwhelm because you know exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it. Chapter 4. Cultivate Gratitude, the secret to a positive mindset. Now that we've got our game plan for the day, let's talk about a powerful habit that can shift your entire perspective and flood your morning with positivity: gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, focusing on what we have or what's going wrong. But taking a few minutes to appreciate the good stuff, the simple joys, the people we love, the opportunities in front of us, can completely transform our mindset. So, find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and reflect on 3 things you're grateful for in this moment. When we focus on gratitude, we shift our energy from scarcity to abundance, from stress to peace. Chapter 5. Fuel Your Fire, the importance of a healthy breakfast. We're almost ready to conquer the day, but first, we need to fuel our incredible bodies with the most important meal of the day: breakfast. Starting your day with a nourishing breakfast is like giving your body and brain a high five. Think of it this way. You wouldn't try to drive your car on an empty tank of gas, would you? So why treat your body any differently? A healthy breakfast provides the energy and nutrients you need to power through your morning and beyond. Think oatmeal with berries and nuts, a veggie-packed omelet, a smoothie with greens and protein powder, or avocado toast with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. So, make breakfast a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. And that's it. 5 simple yet powerful morning habits to supercharge your day. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Start small and build these habits one at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Success Blueprint, and ring the bell for more life-changing tips.